Hello, my name is Omar Gates and I'm a climatologist for GLISA. I'm joined today by Dr. Art DeGaetano, the director of the Northeast Regional Climate Center and a lead investigator of MARISA. Our teams are both CAP RISA teams funded by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration to help communities in our regions build lasting and equitable climate resilience. We're here today to tell you about the Climate and Hazard Mitigation Planning Tool, or CHaMP. We'll start with some background and features of the tool before walking through a brief tutorial of what the tool looks like and how it can be used.
Thanks, Omar. We developed CHaMP as a single entry point for regional and county level data on past hazardous events and on historical and future climate information. This is in support of the development of local and regional climate-related plans. The need for the tool was first brought to our attention by the Urban Sustainability Directors Network back in 2017. We worked with them and a couple of more partners to develop this tool over the last several years. There are a few features of CHaMP that we think will make it particularly useful. First, scientists worked with local partners across multiple regions and sectors to design and implement the process. The CHaMP was designed with FEMA hazard mitigation plans in mind, although the information can be used for any types of plans needing climate information. Second, the data in CHaMP is linked to databases that are regularly updated. So the data in CHaMP is current and will remain updated over time. Third, the tool includes regionally relevant metrics, such as Great Lakes hazards and metrics on coastal flooding. And finally, in addition to data visualizations, the tool provides narrative text that is customized for any region, state, or county. It details climate trends with definitions and citations, so it is easy to copy and paste this text directly into plans. Now that we've given you a brief overview of the CHaMP, let's demonstrate the tool.
First, thank you for that, Dr. DeGaetano. And finally show the CHaMP itself. This is the landing page for the tool. From here, of course, this shows the expanse of the tool, not just only the Great Lakes region, but also the Mid-Atlantic and Carolinas regions as well. From here, users are able to see several different options available, whether it's from our themes panel, which shows not only extreme rainfall, but other hazards. And of course, our hazards panel and climate metrics panel showing more detailed information. From here, users can, of course, look at the time range in which, of course, data starts at 1981 to 2022, but future projections is also available. For additional information, users are able to click on the question mark panel in order to learn more information about the tool. And from this, users are not only able to look at information at the state level, but if we say look and click on a certain state, we're able to see information at the county level. From this, of course, users are able to hover and see balloons with specific information related to the theme that they've chosen. And from this, once they click on a specific county, they're able to see the historical data, as well as future projections. From here, we have the high emission scenario of RCP 8.5, and of course, low emissions with RCP 4.5. From this, if users want to look at certain hazards such as flooding, there are certain events that are available in the tool. And of course, as stated before, many of the events can be looked at in which we can see the impacted counties, as well as users being able to copy and paste the cases that were filed directly into their own reports. From this, of course, users are not only able to click on certain areas, but they can also use the search function for more specified areas. And of course, with the Help tab, we do have information on how to use the tool, as well as background information on the data and technical information. So with that in mind, version 1 of the CHaMP is freely available, and we are seeking community partners to use it in the planning process. Both Lisa and Marisa are available for free technical assistance to use the tool, and we're always open to receiving feedback and suggestions for improving the CHaMP. You can access this tool and find more information at any of the links provided, as well as reach out to either Lisa or Marisa. Thank you for your time.